All right, today is September 24th, 2024. Our September contracts are gone now from here. Now we have just December. We see that ES had a settlement at 577,675. Let's go to the charts. 577,675, which is right about here. So, and then ES didn't really do much of price action movement yesterday. Kind of just bounced around a lot. Look like it's like in the 10 point, 20 point range. If we grab this to here, so 23-point range. Yesterday I said that we had a nice little setup right at the noon candle. Right here, I was looking at it, but I didn't take it. We had this green candle, red volume, right at noon. I didn't take it because the 5 minute had no volume behind it, but upon doing a back test on, or upon of reviewing and back testing upon reviewing it, I was able to notice that the 1 minute had some volume. So if I could find it, so here we go here. So this is the where the candle closed. We had a nice strong candle movement here. Caught my attention. Kind of like broke this bit of a bullish trend. Maybe we can draw it like that, but not too much so like that. Let's see here. Maybe like this, but maybe tighter. All right, we'll put that there. Wow, this thing really does lag. Um, Let me pen this for a minute, and I'm gonna change this one there to yes. All right, so here we go. All right, so trying to get this to be a pretty smooth. This is not that bad actually. Let's see if I made it a little tighter. If I made it a little tighter, like this is also not bad. We have about 2 touches, so that's fine. So we can see here on the 1 minute we did have some strong volume right at the end. Then we had buyers trying to buy it up right after, but it didn't work. Price pushed up, came back and retested this volume with volume, and then sold off. So this would have been a nice trade, risking about I think it was about 2 points to make about 10 points, which is pretty damn good. And I think this went close to initial balance, but this went over 4 to 1. This would have been a very tight trade like this. Here we go. We got 2 to 1, so I could have went 2 micros, maybe even 3 micros, because of risking about 4 points. So 10, 20, 30, about 30 points. 30 points to make about 10, if not more. All right, so 30 times 9, whatever that is. Sorry, not 30. 5, 10, 15. 15 times 9, whatever that is. So risking 30, 15 times, well, 15 times 10 is like a 150, isn't it? Let me just do that. So about 150. So yeah, that's pretty damn good. All right. It's about all right, 5 to 1, which would have been a nice little play here. Boom, could have exit there. Could have taken like one off here, so to see, and then initial balance was like somewhere around here. All right, so that was yesterday. Let me put this back, and then so let's get into today. So I can unpin that. All right, so today you can see that we're above that area with yes, and Q is still holding below this area, showing some signs of resistance. which is something I'd like to see, because we're still below all-time highs. So, but the guy who sold it here is not there, apparently not in the morning. So I'm going to clear some of this up, and bulls are still in control. Clear this. Where's the high from yesterday? It was right about here. Clear this, clear that. And I really don't have anything here right now. This is basically a dead zone. Let's go to the daily to see how price really reacted. So this is it here. So not much price movement. Volume kind of died out. So we're still inside of this range from 919. There's no volume in here. I'm gonna go to a default real quickly and just try to figure out what I can find inside this level or inside this day to see if there's anything else that I may have missed that can help support something. So let's go through the lower time frames. It's the 8. Go to the 4. This selling. So I want to see what Heiken Nashi look like. Is that a green candle? It's a green candle. Alright, it's a green candle. Okay, that's a good sign so far. Let's put you back. That's a very good sign so far. It's a green candle. Let's go to 1 hour. Definitely volume here. We're definitely was volume there. I think that's probably our thing. Kind of candle was that on Heiken Nashi? Okay, spinning top. So volume, sell off. So something's around here somewhere. I think that's but the volume was weak on that candle though. But still, it was the highest peak on the 4 hour. And then you can see we respected it. Kind of respected again yesterday. So what are we going to do? I may have to just basically just play with the highs. We're still in the weekly. Let me make this a W so that way I know where we are. I don't think that even matters. This is the other one that I don't use. Still market. When I come back to it, I will know. And then you can go 30. You can see that we did go above it, respecting this candle over here. We'll make that one this color for now. In a sense, same color as that. And then let's go into the 5 minute. Time is it? Whew, time is flying. Got 26 minutes, 36 minutes before the market opens. All right. So let's clear this. Let's do some house cleaning. All right. Strong volume here. Selling and selling and selling inside of this buying. All right. Let's lay out some. None of them are buying candles. Let's go back to our standard size candles, and let's lay out some lines. This was actually much higher, was it not? It was. How far did this Heikin Ashi come up to? Way up here, right? All right, so dealing with that, so we came to the one that's higher, strong volume. Strong volume is here, so we broke through it, went to that one, and that's where buying started. All right, so we're messing with this zone here. So I'm gonna clear this. I'm done with this because we cleared it. I'm gonna have to go to my actual chart myself, my actual trading chart. Alright, so that's what we're dealing with. That is now my new thing. Alright, so we know that the 5 minute is going to be where I'm going to get the information. So let's go to here. Go here. Let's map this out like that. It's the best I can do as far as levels. Let's drop these here. Let's make this thick. Let's go to standard candle. So all that is fine. Okay, that's fine. All of this is fine. Alright, so that's what we're dealing with. I'm actually going to make this tighter. Probably bring it up to, we cleared that. We surely cleared that. I'm bringing it up to this candle here. 5786.25. Alright, that's basically what we're really working with in the highs. So and then as far as buying wise, still the same. Let's put this back to standard 5 minute, 30 minute. And then NQ has been doing a good job staying within that range, so I'm not going to mess with NQ too much. Okay, so let's go to here and see what's causing these spikes, because we've been having some low spikes midday or pre-market. We had one here at 3 a.m. another one here at 7 a.m. Then we have news. We have a 9 a.m. news and 10 news. This is actually pretty big, I guess. Yeah, this 10 one is gonna be pretty big. This 9 one is just gonna come out like right now, actually, because it's 9 o'clock. So I gotta figure out what's going on with these candles here. Why they're so huge? Because we had it here also, but this one came down to this level and bounced. I didn't mark it because it just was a weird candle for me. It's a selling candle, and we bounced off of it. This one here is a buying candle, but we're bouncing off of nothing essentially, because this is buying here, but we kind of cleared it. We have buying here, but we cleared it. We have buying here that we did not clear. So let's see if there's anything underneath this, but I wouldn't hold my breath for this one. We're gonna see what volume did. This one essentially came to, I guess, this area here, but I'm gonna see what's going on with this candle, because we did respect it here and we respect it there. It's the only one that showed up. 16 minutes into this already. Bring our friend back over. Wow, we really dug into that, didn't we? Yeah, we did. Even in the first time, we dug into it, and then we bounced. So I don't even know how I really feel about this. I might just ignore this whole thing. So one is buying there, and then it's dead. So I'll mark it nonetheless. It's not a green candle, but I'm gonna mark it nonetheless. But it's a red candle with volume, so it's not a green volume bar, but it's a red candle with volume that's somewhat buying. We came to it, went a lot further down. Let's see what the 1 minute looks like. This is a nice price action. Move back up. That's pretty intense. Did we show signs of buying here? No, 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 no. We tried here. Broke out. Signs of buying. Would have to put this like way down here. There's no signs of buying in here. That's definitely signs of buying right here. What does it even look like on the... See, there's no volume here. I can't even trust that area, right? But it's a nice price action. This is very strong. Yeah, this is very strong. Had to pause and then up, hit these levels, hit the candle type that I like. It's very good. Came back and retested that candle, then dropped. Strong volume. A lot of volume right here. Same color. I don't know what to make of this. So I don't want to force anything. Look at this volume. That is a lot of volume. This is buying. Alright, so that's buying. And we push up. Okay. Alright, so that's probably essentially it for my NQ. Well, not really. I have to go through my ES. My ES. Essentially for my ES. I have to go through my NQ to see correlations. cleared it. Nothing down here. Buying was up here, right? Here. And we cleared that buying. I don't have anything really, but we do have strong buying here. Like in the middle of nowhere. Alright, but we got to clear the tops of these for me to even consider them. Right now we're inside of them, so I'm not even gonna even pay attention to them or really mark them. I could mark them like this. We'll do that. This one here. Alright, I'll mark them like that. Alright, so I think I'm done. Can't really do much with any of this information. This information really sucks. Got news at 10, news at 9 came out, nothing happened. 5776.75, which is right around I just didn't want to freeze and act up. Right around here somewhere. So let me mark the low. This is the low. Well, this is the low. Alright, yep, and I'm gonna close all of this out and then just get ready for the day. I'm essentially done. So I'm gonna be waiting for my my 30-minute candles to really show me signs, because I don't have any clue as to what this thing is doing. I'm gonna be leaning heavily on my 30. Now let's see where we are, I guess, with the NQ as far as just where prices are. $20, 126.75, 20, 125.75. So this one here. Alright, so those are our highs. We're back inside of it. Back inside of both of them. Definitely would like to see price probably move down. Alright, I wanted to see what this looked like on the daily. That one had volume. ES didn't. Okay, so that's it for me. Yep, that's it for me for today. I did all that I think I could do. And now we'll just wait. I mean, like I said, we had a lot of buying down here, so I'm gonna have to respect this area. Let's see what it looks like on the 5-minute. I'm gonna have to respect these lows. Buying didn't come until way over here. Then we tested it. So this is where buying came in, and buying for ES came way down here at the bottom when we hit that level. And that's when we had a second buying for ES, which is right here. Sorry, can't see what I'm looking at. So buying came here for NQ, second buying came here for ES. They both kind of respected that same area, and moved higher, and they both seem to have given buy signals here to move higher at the 8:30 time frame, and now we're at the 9 o'clock news time frame. So we'll see. I'd like to see price really just come up here, reject, make it seem like we're going to go higher, and then come back towards its highs, hopefully break through the highs and come back down. But now volume has been dead. All right, so that's it for me for today. Be back and post. We'll see if I actually take anything. I'm going to save my levels. Let's put my charts back the way they were, and I can close them out and clear out some of the information. So it's that. Definitely like this red candle with green buying. So this is going to be likely my next level. If price can come up, I'll be looking at this area, especially if we can clear these highs. I'll be looking for this area to be my buy area. Hopefully I have some substance inside of it. I kind of do. I do have buying inside of these. More for ES than NQ. NQ came right after, which is a little bit higher, but not too high. It's still part of that candle. So this could be our next demand zone being formed. Once price push up, break these highs here, I like to see price come back down to it on in these areas here. All right, definitely like to see price come back to it once I set it up. I'm definitely liking this red candle with green or turquoise buying. So that's it for me for now. See you in the evening.